So good day, folks. Beautiful sunny day. It's about, I don't know, 16, 17 degrees Celsius. It's a Saturday. Just gorgeous out. This is the kind of weather I like. I'm along this little marsh. I'll just show you in a second. And just along this old logging road. And actually, I think it's part of the Skidoo Trail. Because I saw a couple of stop signs or indicators for the Skidoo Trail. And saw a couple of birds, blackbirds fly. And then I saw what I thought the blackbird was chasing something. And sure enough, I think they're flycatchers. So I'm going to show you where I am here, and I'm going to try to get some video and pictures of them. So like I said, I just came down this old logging road, and I'm here right at this marsh. So I think one of them's up in the tree right now. Let's assume that there are a couple. And there's some red-winged blackbirds, or blackbirds in general, in here. And the blackbirds are chasing, I believe they're flycatchers, like I said. If I'm wrong, you'll see right now what they actually are. I'll put it up on the screen. But yeah, I think I'm going to stick around here. I've been out since 11 o'clock this morning. It is 6. Hadn't seen much. Now, I saw that flycatcher come flying down and then head back up to that tree, and sure enough it had an insect in its mouth. Now I see there's dragonflies around here and clearly mosquitoes and stuff like that, because they already been nipping at me today. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stick around here and film these guys for a while. I decided to move up the road about 75 meters just to get a different vantage point of the birds. that's both of them in this old dead tree. Yeah. Just give you a reference, I'll zoom out here. Actually, that doesn't tell you much. No, what? Well, folks, it's 20 to 9, and about 5-10 minutes ago, they both flew over here. So I don't know if they're just sitting in a tree over here or it's bedtime for them. Um, it's starting to get, because they were up high in that old tree there, I was still able to film because the light is hitting it. But down here, it would be starting to get hard to film them. Not sun, it's almost below the horizon now. So I guess it's time to call her quits. So, like I said, I'll put in the video what type of flycatcher. I believe this is a flycatcher, and I'll tell you what type it is. And that's about it. So I guess put my camera gear away and head her home. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.